WhatsApp has introduced a fantastic feature that allows users to send view once media messages. This feature is particularly useful for sharing sensitive or personal information, such as Wi-Fi passwords or phone numbers, as it ensures the media disappears after being viewed. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to use this feature effectively. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Start by launching the WhatsApp app and selecting the contact you want to message. Capture a live photo. Use the camera icon to take a photo directly within WhatsApp. Enable the View Once feature. Before sending the photo, look for the small one symbol in the bottom right corner of the screen, near that Add Caption option. Click on it. You'll see a notification confirming that the photo is set to View Once. Send the photo. It will appear as a private image in the chat. Once the recipient views it, 3 blue check marks will appear at the bottom right corner of the message, indicating the photo was seen. If you decide not to use the View Once feature, simply click the one symbol again to disable it. The photo will then remain in the chat indefinitely, allowing the recipient to view and save it multiple times. If you wish to send a pre-taken photo as a View Once message, the process is similar. Start a chat. Access your camera roll by tapping the paperclip icon in the bottom and select Gallery. Select the photo you wish to send. Click the one symbol to enable the View Once setting. Just like a live photo, the image will be private and disappear after being viewed. The View Once feature is an excellent way to share media securely. Whether you're sending live or pre-taken photos, this functionality helps protect your privacy. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.